Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to handle for drop-down values using our Playwright Robot Framework. Okay, after long back I'm doing this particular video. See, basically my health is not well due to some fever and cold and cough. I'm not able to done in a couple of weeks. Okay, sorry for that. And now onwards I'll try to make continue for all the videos. Okay. Let's start now. Now I'm going to use for this website. Okay. From here we have for country and that particular country place you can able to scroll down. Okay. You can take that values. Okay. How we can able to select this particular things we can able to see. Okay. Now let's start first. Okay. This is my URL. I'll go to here. First we need to use for settings, libraries, and it is not a Selenium library because Selenium library means you are different. We are using for Playwright. For that, we need to use the browser. Okay. Browser is the one to access for Playwright stuff. Okay. And I'm going to use for test cases and single selection dropdown. And then I'm going to use for open browser. Then you can provide the URL and then Chrome. Okay. Now, once you done here, we need to make some element visibility. Okay, wait, state element to visible. Okay, because we need to wait the state which is visible is there. Okay, for this is the country selection drop down. Okay, I'll go to here. I'll mention here ID equal to value. Okay, country is the visibility is presented or not for checking. Okay. Now I need to select by visible text. Okay, visible text, which is the one will be there. We can able to select drop downs by using for index, value, and label. Okay, you can see visible text means there is a capital letters like a option is there, right? Option. After that there is a values. It is there, right? That values we need to select. Value attribute we have for a value attribute that we can choose and then provide. Index number system. Number starts from 0 and then ends how many it is there based upon that. Okay. Now in this situation, I'm going to choose for United Kingdom. Okay. I'm going to take the United Kingdom. Okay. Select option by we can take as a ID become this one and then we need to specify for a label. Why it is taking this? We have four select by options. Select options by ID. We are specifying that specific one. and then we need to specify what the label, and India is the one we are going to choose. Okay, now I'm going to run for this specific one, a robot, and specify test slash. Now it is failed. Selected attribute does not have a label. Okay. Hmm. Available index and label, text and value attribute. Why it is not taking? 1 minute. Now you can see this is working fine now. There is a space, white space is there. That's why it is not working. I fixed that white space. Now it is perfectly picking. Okay. Now the value is label become a visibility of the check. Okay, this particular one. Okay. Option open and closing in middle it is there, right? That value. Okay. Now we need to take for value attribute. Now label we have seen, right? At the similar format, I want to select my value attribute. The value become a value attribute. What value it is there, that value we need to choose. Okay. I'll mention for 5 seconds. Okay. Now you need to be select for UK. After selecting in India, we need to see for UK need to be select. If you are mentioned as a capital letter UK, it will not. Now India is selected. It's waiting. United Kingdom, UK. Okay. Like this, we can able to select it. And even index position, by using the index position also, we can able to select. Index starts from the 0, means here 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is a Germany. Okay. Germany value should be display after that. Okay. Now again I'm running. Now you can see it will select India, UK, then it will select for Germany. United Kingdom, Germany. Okay. Like this it will select. Okay. Now if you want to print all values, how you can able to do? For this we need to get that XPath and all. Okay. Now I'm going to use for my XPath to forward slash star, and then I'm going to use other rate attribute, and here okay we need to get the all the options, right? Now you can see all options are 10, 1 out of 10 it is there. Okay, I'm going to take the count of my 10. Okay, dollar, then I'm going to take as a count Okay, and then equal get the count. Okay, now x path colon and then sorry, not colon, equal. You can specify the path. Okay, then I need to display all my values. Okay, for this I'm going to use for case for we need to use as a dollar, and then we need to use as some I am going to use. Okay, I in range my count. Okay, in range of count the options. Okay, options are you can able to mention as a text, whatever it is. Get text is basically to get the text of this, and path we are going to print getting all the values one after one. Okay, that values it will print into here. Okay, once it is done, then we are going to close it. You can use for log or log to console. Both are same. Okay, now I'm going to run again. Now this time, right, after all the selection, you can able to see all the values in a console location. Up to Germany it is happen. Mhm. Waiting for this particular position. Okay, whether it will be identical or not, we can see first. Yes, it is not able to identify. Then we can change the path like this. Okay, from this also it is not able to identify. Why it is not able to identify this particular text? Then it is there. Then and then. Okay, one onwards it is started here, and here zero means it is not starting. Okay, here there is a problem. That index position it looks as a different, and here is a different. Then we can able to give starting of the one. Okay, then I can use for here plus one. Okay, then we can do run again. Because the index position 0 it is not able to identify, then we can able to take as a 1, it will take. This selected. Okay, yes. Now you can see all the values are displayed. United State, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Australia, Japan, like this, all the values it is displayed now. There is an index position value issue. That's why it is not able to identify. Okay, I'm going to give you for homework now. There is a multi select drop down. You can see it will select for multiple, right? This one I'm going to give you for homework, how we can able to do the multi selection. Okay. In case if you are not able to do, please comment on this video. I can able to help you for that. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.